beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my May unboxing, Boxycharm unboxing. So right away, pink vibes, alien vibes a little bit. Awkward, that was like not cute, but anyway, so yeah, so it's going to be my May unboxing and try on. So I'm actually wearing what's in the box. I'm wearing it all right now. So yeah, hair wise, I wanted to do something different with my hair, as you can tell. I've seen this trend go around. It's kind of not that new, but I wanted to give it a try. I feel like I'm from Star Trek or something. E.T. come home. Okay, anyway, if you like the hair, please give me a like. Appreciate it. I know I kind of look silly, but I wanted to try something different, okay? So yeah, anyway, so this is my May box. It actually has a different shape this time. It's more... It used to be like more like this, and now it's more like this, if that makes sense. Well, anyway, I'm happy with what I got. I'm really excited that I got this one. So let's open it up. I opened it, as you can tell, and I was a little too eager. Well, anyway, so this is what it looks like. The theme this month is Make Waves. So the first thing in the box, first of all, sorry, I have the, what is it? Not variety, variation. I have variation 5. It's right there. So yeah, first thing in the box, Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. So this is what it looks like. I'm so happy I got this. It was either this or the coconut water, but I wanted this, so, and I got it, so I'm really happy. So this gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleans the skin. Blah blah blah. It's a cleanser. $28 retail value. So if you want to go ahead and open it and look inside, this is what it looks like. It comes with 5 ounces, which I think is a lot for Glam Glow's pricing. $20 for this. And keep in mind the box is only $21 a month. Sorry, I have hair in my face. So annoying. So yeah. Next thing in the box is Alamar Colorete Blush Trio. So that's actually at the bottom. Let me pull that out real quick. And I am wearing that. And I did cleanse my face with the Glam Glow. So I'm actually wearing the blush right now. This is what it is. Colorete Blush Trio. Medium tan is what mine is. And then let's take a look inside. That's what it looks like. Those are the colors. Right now I'm wearing Isla and Toasted. I'm wearing these two on my face right now. I'm a blush fan. I'm like so into blushes lately. So this retails for $22. So 28 and 22, that's 50, right? Don't quote me. I'm gonna say it's 50. Okay, next thing in the box is, I always say it wrong, C8 Cape London. Anyway, it's an eye luster cream eyeshadow. And again, I'm wearing that right on my lid. Super glittery. This is what it looks like. Eye luster cream eyeshadow. And then it says color shifting pigments, as well as lightweight, fallout free. If you guys want to swatch, let me go ahead and swatch it for you. And this is the shade Cupid, by the way. It says Cupid on there. Okay. This is what it looks like. Beautiful holographic. And quick swatch for you guys. Beautiful. Ignore what was already there. But it's like gold, rose gold. I love it. But once it's on the eyes, it looks more gold tone to me. So yeah. Okay, and that retails for $22 as well. The next thing is Steve Laurent lip gloss, which I'm also wearing. This is what it looks like. And this is a shade Posh. P-O-S-H. I think that's how you say it. We also got a Steve Laurent lip gloss last month, which I have not worn yet, and this is what that looks like. I'm wearing it. It seems a little more, I like that it's neutral, but for this eye look, it doesn't really, I don't think it really matches. By the way, I love the way that this lip gloss smells. And this retails for $22 as well. Okay, and the last but not least thing in the box, almost dropped that, is a lip liner. I'm also wearing that, and this is from Vintage Cosmetics by Jessica Lebis kind. Sorry, I'm totally messing that up. But it's a cashmere lip pencil in the shade Mocha. Quick swatch for you guys. That's it right there. Sorry, I'm looking over here to see myself. And this retails for $21. So I'm going to put the total price somewhere on the screen of this month's box. Keep in mind, this box with everything you just saw is only $21 a month. That's it, including shipping, $21 each month. That's awesome because look at all the products we got. We got Glam Glow, Alamar, like what? So I really recommend it. I've had a Boxycharm over a year. If you do want a referral code, I have it in my description box. If you it's up to you if you want to use it. It's just a referral code and it helps you get there. So yeah, and it says I referred you basically. So the first thing I have in my May Boxycharm is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. That's what it looks like. By Glam Glow. I'm so happy I got this. This is what I was hoping to get, and I got it, so I'm really happy. You open it up and it says Hello Sexy. I think all their packaging says that. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to wet my face. And then directions. Apply to wet face and then massage. So, what it looks like. It honestly smells like soap, like dial soap, like disinfecting soap. That's what it smells like to me. It doesn't have a really good scent. Okay, and it says pat dry, so I have a new towel here. Okay. Okay. And that is my Glam Glow cleanser. So let's go on to the next thing. I'll keep you guys in. My face is almost done. I'm going to do my eyes next. The next thing in the box is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow from Sia. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. This is what it looks like. So I have concealer on my eyes, and that's fine for me. So I'm actually taking my new palette, my Pure Festival palette. Got this in my April Boxycharm. So what it looks like. Sorry. Beautiful colors. Since I already swatched, I don't know if you guys can see that, the color, it's like a pink metallic. So I'm going to take that pink shade. You know what? Let's use the transition. So let me get this protector off real quick. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to take, let me see, take that transition shade right there and the name Epic and put that all over my eye. Let me see. I'm actually using like last month's Boxycharm instead of my new. I'm mixing the two. So I have some new brushes right here. Got this last month and I haven't used it yet. Okay. The one I want doesn't want to come out. Okay. Okay, there we go. So I'm taking my Luxie 209 large shader. I'm putting that Epic shade right all over my lid. Everywhere, actually, just put that everywhere. That's to set my base or transition shade. So blending all the other colors will be a lot easier. Okay, and now I'm gonna get my Anastasia, the one that comes in every Anastasia palette. I'm going to pack on Wild Child, that pink shade, right in the outer corner. So I'm going to pack that right here, right there, and then blend it out. Sorry for covering you guys, it's here. Well, I can tell you right now, this palette is very pigmented, which I love, and easy to blend, so yeah, I like that. Okay, back again with Wild Child and pack on some more color. And then blend out. I was honestly thinking you could even use this as a blush. Sorry, I'm like, what am I trying to say? Blend out the edges. Okay, super easy. Pretty much done. Let me take the fat end, or the fluffy end, make it a little bit more pink. Okay, and then I'm going to take my eye luster and apply that right on the lid. Let's see, how am I going to do it? I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and then apply it with my finger. Oh, and you just fell. Okay then, so just put it on my finger. That is so cute. Is that not adorable? Beautiful. I like using my I like using my finger for precise location, you know, right where you want it. I think that's super cute. And super easy, super cute, simple look. And I'm gonna do my other eye. I'll do my other eye off camera, mascara, eyebrows, and I'll be right back. So eyes are done, eyebrows are done. So the next thing I have in the box is my Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio. Medium tan is the one I have. Colorete. I actually said it right, I think. Colorete. Like you have to let the R roll. Or something. Colorete. Now that I'm trying to pay attention to it, I'm messing up. So if I can get this open. There it goes. Okay. So, hold on. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Protector, as always. And here are the colors. Super cute. I like them. I'm going to take these two over here and find a brush. Okay, so I'm going to take my Red Techniques blush brush and dip into those two shades. That is super cute. I love it. Look at that. I love it. I feel like a little, you know, blushing. I'm not gonna say bride because I'm not getting married, but yeah, I like this blush. It's really cute. I'm a fan of blushes, honestly. I've come to realize I love blush. So now I'm gonna set my face using my Catrice. And as always, I feel like it's in my eyes, if I'm being honest. Like, oh, it's in my eye, I feel it. So, now I'm gonna do highlight, or lips, and then highlight. Okay, so again, this is my favorite ever. Sorry, my hair. So yeah, you need to get this, you guys. It's a Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow. No highlight on right now. No highlight on. Again, no highlight. And I'm still glowing. And this is like less than $8 or something. So I recommend. Okay, so lips, the last thing in the box, last two things in the box are, if I can get it out. Okay, is a vintage cashmere lip pencil in the shade Mocha. I'm scared it's too dark for this look. Do you think that's too dark? Well, let's just lightly line then. So, where's my, need a mirror, but okay. So I'm just gonna do my line. I should have used a lip scrub, but I didn't. So now I'm suffering. So I have my lip liner on. And the last thing in the box is this Steve Laurent lip gloss in the shade Posh. Yeah, okay. It's cute or whatever. But it's a little not more, I need a more pinky tone color. But for the sake of the box, I'm putting everything, my full face is in the box. So after this, I'm going to go and put a more pinky tone lipstick or lip gloss on. So highlight, most important, using my Hyper Real Glow from MAC. I love this. I've used it only once, but it's bomb. These are the shades. Taking my Real Techniques Rock Techniques setting brush. I'm dipping into the first two shades. Okay. Ooh. Yes. So there is my face. Now I'm going to set everything with my Morphe spray. I love that smell. That brush, well, blow, I mean. You know what I mean. Is this broken? It sounded like it was broken. So, yeah. So this is my May Boxycharm. If you liked it, please give me a big like. If you like this video, please give me a like. If you are new, don't be shy. Subscribe down below and join the beautiful family that we have here. Get it? Yeah. Okay, then we'll see you guys next time. Bye.